The construction world is changing rapidly, driven by advanced machines that continue to push the boundaries of engineering and automation. In this video, we take a closer look at some of the most impressive innovations, ranging from advanced concrete pipe systems and high-precision paving machines to robotic builders, autonomous equipment, and powerful demolition units. These cutting-edge technologies help streamline large-scale projects, improve safety, and deliver levels of accuracy that were once considered impossible. Whether it's robots printing entire buildings, machines lifting heavy materials effortlessly, or automated systems improving job site efficiency, these genius construction machines prove that the future of building has already arrived. Apex Bide Concrete Pipe Machine. Apex Bide Concrete Pipe Machine. The Apex Bide Concrete Pipe Machine represents a modern advancement of the well-known bidirectional roller head system, offering improved efficiency for today's concrete pipe manufacturing environment. Designed for easy installation and low maintenance, the machine delivers fast and consistent production cycles that help manufacturers keep up with increasing infrastructure demands. By compacting concrete from both ends, it ensures strong wire bonding, even wall thickness, and smooth interior and exterior surfaces, all of which are essential for reliable pipe performance. Its pit shell setup requires minimal floor space, making it ideal for facilities that want to increase output without expanding their footprint. The machine supports a wide range of pipe diameters and lengths, suitable for applications such as stormwater drainage, sewer networks, and culvert systems. With optimized vibration and compaction processes, each pipe is produced with high structural strength and consistent quality across batches. Combining proven engineering with modern improvements, the Apex Bide Concrete Pipe Machine provides a reliable solution for efficient, high-quality concrete pipe production. Ligshine Easy Placer. Ligshine Easy Placer. The Ligshine Easy Placer is transforming the way concrete is placed on job sites by combining placement and line dragging into one intelligent, self-propelled machine. Instead of depending on manual labor or bulky hoses, it uses remote control operation, allowing a single operator to guide concrete precisely where it's needed while staying completely outside the finishing area. This keeps the pour zone clear, reduces congestion, and helps crews work faster and more safely. With a 27-foot boom and a 4-inch delivery line, the Easy Placer can easily reach across wide slabs, industrial floors, and large flatwork projects. Its compact 60-inch width, all-wheel drive, and all-wheel steering make maneuvering easy, even through standard doorways or tight access points. A 13-horsepower engine powers the unit, while dual 360-degree swivel boom sections give operators precise placement control, reducing labor needs and improving efficiency. The Ligshine Easy Placer offers a cleaner and more efficient approach to modern concrete placement. Icon Multi-Story Robot. Icon Multi-Story Robot. The Icon Phoenix robot represents a major shift in how buildings can be constructed using advanced robotic 3D printing technology, taking construction far beyond traditional methods. Instead of relying on brick-by-brick labor, Phoenix uses a highly accurate robotic arm to extrude a specialized cement-based mixture, forming complete building enclosures layer by layer. This process allows the system to print walls, foundations, and even roof structures directly from digital architectural designs. One of Phoenix's most impressive achievements is its ability to build upward. Its early prototype produced a 27-foot tall structure, proving that multi-story 3D printed buildings are not only possible, but also structurally strong. Supported by an integrated system of robotics, software, and low-carbon concrete materials, the platform simplifies complex tasks and reduces waste. By automating major construction stages, Phoenix enables faster completion with fewer workers while supporting more sustainable and flexible building practices. It represents a significant step toward a future where automated construction becomes the standard. Doka XBot Lift. Doka XBot Lift. The Doka Lift is shaping a new era of slab formwork handling on modern construction sites. Designed as part of the Doka system, this semi-automated robot takes over the heavy lifting of formwork panels while allowing operators to work safely from ground level. One of its key features is the ability to place panels at heights of up to 5.7 meters, making overhead slab preparation faster and much safer than traditional manual methods. Controlled from the ground, often using a tablet, the Doka XBot Lift positions panels, secures them, and adjusts for uneven surfaces with high precision. Its compact and narrow frame allows it to pass through standard doorways, making it useful for both residential and commercial projects. With sensor-assisted positioning and automated height adjustment, the lift improves workflow efficiency and reduces physical strain on workers. By automating demanding tasks, it supports safer operations, increases productivity, and helps teams complete slab work with greater consistency and efficiency. Huesker Chip Seal Grid. Huesker Chip Seal Grid. The Huesker Chip Seal Grid is a modern solution designed to strengthen and protect spray seal road surfaces. It is built as a composite geosynthetic that combines a paving non-woven geotextile with a high-strength polyester reinforcement grid. When the geotextile becomes saturated with bitumen during installation, it forms a waterproof barrier that prevents moisture from penetrating and damaging the underlying pavement layers. Along with moisture protection, the integrated grid adds structural reinforcement by resisting surface cracking, slowing crack propagation, and stabilizing the pavement under traffic loads. Because of these combined benefits, roads treated with the chip seal grid are less likely to experience reflective cracking, bleeding, or aggregate loss. Common issues that reduce the lifespan of traditional spray seal treatments. Its flexibility and strong bonding capability allow it to be applied over existing pavements or milled surfaces. With roll widths available up to 5 meters and customizable options, it supports a wide range of road rehabilitation projects while delivering longer-lasting and more resilient road surfaces. All-3 Mantis. All-3 Mantis. The All-3 Mantis is redefining construction through its fully autonomous capabilities. Designed to handle complex building tasks without relying on large crews or cranes, Mantis can place, fasten, and inspect structural components with accuracy and speed. Its modular design allows it to change tools and configurations based on project requirements. From lifting heavy components to performing quality inspections, it offers exceptional versatility. With a reach exceeding 4 meters and a payload capacity of over 100 kilograms, it is powerful enough for real-world construction while remaining compact and agile for tight urban environments. This makes it ideal for infill projects or locations with limited space. Integrated into All-3's broader system of AI-driven design, prefabrication, and robotic manufacturing, Mantis streamlines the entire construction process. The result is faster assembly, improved quality control, reduced labor needs, and minimized material waste, marking a major advancement in construction technology. tBot. The tBot robot is transforming construction sites with fully autonomous rebar tying technology. Developed by Advanced Construction Robotics, tBot automates one of the most repetitive and physically demanding tasks in construction, tying steel reinforcement bars for concrete decks and bridge structures. Using robotics, artificial intelligence, and computer vision, tBot detects rebar intersections and automatically secures each connection with wire at speeds far beyond human capability, completing over 1,100 ties per hour compared to a human average of 150 to 250. tBot navigates the work area independently without pre-mapped plans, BIM input, or manual programming, and it can operate day or night in nearly any weather condition. Its gantry-mounted system spans from 9.5 feet to over 100 feet, making it ideal for bridge decks, road decks, and large slab floors. By automating rebar tying, tBot improves efficiency, reduces safety risks, and supports faster project completion. Mule MZ100. The Mule MZ100 is a compact, battery-powered lift-assist machine designed to make heavy materials feel nearly weightless. Capable of handling loads up to 100 pounds, it allows a single worker to complete tasks that would normally require multiple people. Its multi-link articulated arm and lithium-ion battery system provide flexibility and endurance, supporting a full day of work on a single charge with easy recharging from a standard outlet. Portability is a major advantage of the MZ100. Its compact design allows it to pass through standard doorways and operate efficiently indoors or outdoors. Self-leveling technology ensures reliable performance on uneven surfaces or shifting platforms. For larger job sites, the MZ100 can be mounted on a telehandler or similar lift vehicle, turning it into a mobile assistant. Crews can lift and place blocks, masonry, and other heavy materials with precision, reducing physical strain, increasing productivity, and improving job site safety. Crest Robotics. Crest Robotics Charlotte. Charlotte is a groundbreaking 6-legged construction robot that reimagines how homes can be built. Unlike traditional construction methods that depend on bricks, cement, and large crews, Charlotte autonomously gathers local materials such as sand, soil, or crushed brick. Using its onboard extrusion and compaction system, it forms strong structural walls while following precise digital building plans. Its spider-like legs allow it to move across uneven terrain, adjust its height, and operate without cranes or fixed gantries. As it moves, Charlotte layers and compresses materials, effectively printing an entire house shell from the ground up. Remarkably, it can construct a home of around 200 square meters in a single day, a task that would normally require dozens of workers. Sustainability is central to its design, as it uses local and recycled materials to reduce emissions and supply chain dependence. Its lightweight, foldable frame also opens possibilities for building structures on the moon using lunar regolith. FBR Hadrian. FBR Hadrian. The Hadrian X by FBR is redefining construction through next-generation robotic masonry technology. Mounted on a truck, this robotic block-laying system brings precision automation directly to outdoor building sites. Its boom arm extends up to 32 meters and can handle large blocks measuring up to 600 times 400 times 300 millimeters and weighing 45 kilograms. Using advanced control systems, Hadrian converts CAD-based designs into precise block placements, then picks, applies adhesive, and lays each block with exceptional accuracy. Its stabilization technology allows real-time adjustments for site movement, vibration, or weather, while placing up to 300 to 360 blocks per hour. Hadrian builds walls significantly faster than traditional methods while reducing labor, waste, and delays. It has already proven its capabilities in real-world projects, including multi-story buildings and large housing developments, showcasing the potential of robotics in modern construction. Brock 130. Brock 130 Plus. The Brock 130 Plus is a compact, remote-controlled demolition robot designed for challenging jobs in tight and hard-to-reach areas. Measuring just 31 inches wide, it delivers impressive power and accuracy for interior demolitions, narrow corridors, stairwells, and dense urban environments. Its advanced hydraulic system, combined with the BHB 175 breaker, provides approximately 20% more impact force and 40% higher impact frequency than previous models, enabling faster and more efficient demolition of concrete and reinforced structures. Safety and flexibility are core features of its design. Operators control the machine remotely using an ergonomic joystick and digital interface, keeping a safe distance from debris. Its 360-degree working range allows the arm and breaker to reach above, below, and around obstacles. The Brock 130 Plus supports a wide range of attachments, including breakers, crushers, shears, cutters, and buckets, making it highly versatile for demolition and construction tasks. Dusty Robotics Field Printer 2. Dusty Robotics Field Printer 2. The Field Printer 2 is transforming construction layout with autonomous precision. This compact robot prints full-scale floor plans directly onto concrete slabs, including lines, curves, points, and text, creating a single accurate reference for electrical, plumbing, structural, and architectural work. Weighing just 23 kilograms, it moves easily through crowded job sites and tight spaces, while its high-resolution print head ensures clear and readable markings. Advanced sensors allow it to detect edges, columns, and obstacles, even printing behind obstructions using shadow printing. Integrated with BIM and CAD workflows, digital drawings are automatically converted into robot-ready layouts, reducing human error and accelerating construction timelines. Designed for hospitals, data centers, and large commercial facilities, Field Printer 2 minimizes mistakes, prevents misalignment, and turns digital plans into accurate real-world results quickly and reliably. Ligchine LS120. Ligchine LS120. The Ligchine LS120 is a compact laser-guided concrete screed built for precision flat work. Backed by 17 years of development, it combines frame leveling technology with laser guidance to deliver accurate single or dual-slope concrete finishing. Its 8-foot screed head mounted on a 16-foot boom provides a balance between coverage and maneuverability, while the 3-wheel steering and drive system allows smooth joystick control from the operator platform. Designed for practicality, the LS120 has a small footprint and moderate weight, making it towable by a 3/4-ton pickup truck. On site, it performs efficiently on slabs, floors, and smaller pours without bulky outriggers, leveling directly on its wheels. Laser guidance ensures consistent surfaces, reducing manual labor and human error. As an entry-level laser screed, the LS120 makes advanced concrete finishing accessible to small and mid-sized contractors. Built Robotics RPD35. Built Robotics RPD35. The RPD35 is transforming large-scale foundation work through full autonomy. Designed for massive projects such as solar farms, this robotic pile driver handles surveying, pile placement, driving, and inspection within a single system. Built on a 35-ton excavator chassis, it carries hundreds of piles in side-mounted racks and can drive piles up to 19 feet long with sub-centimeter accuracy. Using RTK GPS, IMUs, and advanced sensor fusion, it delivers precise placement across large sites. A two-person crew can operate the RPD35 to install over 300 piles per day, up to 5 times faster than traditional methods. Automation reduces labor needs, limits rework, and improves safety by reducing exposure to noise and vibration. With advanced safety protocols and remote monitoring, the RPD35 sets a new benchmark for autonomous heavy equipment in infrastructure projects. Unic UM445 Mini Spider. Unic UM445 Mini Spider. The Unic UM445 Mini Spider crane is a compact yet powerful solution for restricted construction environments. Despite its small size, this electric crane can lift up to 4 tons at a 1.8-meter radius, delivering strong performance where traditional cranes cannot operate. With a retracted width of just 0.75 meters, it easily passes through standard doorways and navigates tight urban spaces. Once positioned, extendable tracks and adjustable outriggers provide stability for safe lifting. The UM445 features a 5-section derricking boom and a 4-section telescopic jib, allowing lifts up to 17.5 meters high and a working radius of 15.7 meters. Fully radio-controlled, operators receive real-time load data via a color display for precise handling. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, it operates quietly and without emissions, making it ideal for indoor and urban projects.